This is the solution to 2017 January question 16 of the M4 paper. So the diagram shows a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters with an angle of 120 degrees. We have to calculate the area of the segment. The segment is this bit here. Now, to get that, you get the area of the sector, and then you take away the area of the triangle. So the area of the sector, well, it's a part of a circle. Area is pi r squared. So you want to get a fraction of that. You want to get theta out of 360. That's the fraction. So in this case, you want a third of it. 120 out of 360 is a third of the area. So a third of pi times the radius, which is 6 squared. On the calculator, that works out to be 12 pi. Now, if you've done M8 material, there's a quick way to get the area of the triangle. If you haven't done M8 material, it's going to be a slower process. What we have to do is cut this triangle into, well, if you're finding the area of that triangle, you need a base and a height. The height being that blue line that I've drawn, the base being this here. But what we can do is just look at one of the triangles, just this one here, and that angle will be 60 degrees. If I draw it out to one side, we'd have 60 degrees. The hypotenuse is 6, and let's say we want to work out that height, the adjacent of the right angle triangle. That's cos. If we use trigonometry, A and H, K. So cos of the angle, cos of 60, is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, which is 6. If we rearrange that, the adjacent is equal to 6 times cos 60. The calculator will give you an answer of 3 for the adjacent. So we now know that this one is 3. To work out this one here, let's call that just even x. That would be part of the base of the triangle. Because we know the hypotenuse and the adjacent, we could use trigonometry, but because we've got two sides of a triangle, we could use Pythagoras' theorem. So Pythagoras' theorem states that the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the shorter two sides. So in this case, 6 squared, the longest side squared, is equal to the shorter side squared, x squared, and plus the other short side squared, 3 squared. So that means 36 is equal to x squared plus 9. Take the 9 off to get 27. And that gives you that x would be the square root of 27. So what have we worked out? We now know that this length here is root 27. So the full length from, let's call that, from A to B would be double root 27, which would be 2 root 27. That's just a number. So we can then find the area of that triangle. The area of the triangle is equal to half times the base. The base will be 2 root 27. If you're not comfortable with that, just when you get to here, just use the decimal answer and then double it, and that's the same thing. And then you multiply half times the base times the height. So the height of that triangle we worked out earlier, the height of this thing is 3. So 3. And put that in the calculator, that will give you 9 root 3. So as I said at the start, the area of the segment is going to be the whole sector, and then you take away the area of the triangle and you'll get what's left over, this segment. So your answer would be the area of the sector, 12 pi minus 9 root 3. If it asked you for an exact answer, that would be it. It doesn't ask you for the exact answer. It just says, and always read the answer, the question at the end to see if you actually answered it. Calculate the area of a segment. So it doesn't ask you, doesn't say how to leave your answer. So put that in the calculator. 12 pi minus 9 root 3, and that gives you 22.1 to 1 decimal place.